Hello, good day friends, welcome to this video. I'm here to show you guys a new quantitative platform that we're going to be stacking USDT from. So here's the conversion rate a dollar is to a naira currently. That is, if you are watching this video from Nigeria, in this video I'm going to be making a live withdrawal, and approximately I'm going to be earning $7 every day, which is going to give me around 11,200. That is, if you are watching from Nigeria, multiply by the next 7 days, I'm going to earn around 78,000 naira. However, if you are watching outside the country, this is going to give you around $7 daily. That is what I used to start here for staking. You can actually earn above that. So this is how the commission earning is. I'm going to be making a live withdrawal, so make sure you pay good attention. So this is how the earnings actually are. For 8 to 20 USDT, it gives you 10% of that your startup. So me, I use the 14% earning because I used around 50 USDT. So you can see 20 to 200, you can see 15 to this. There are different levels and what you can earn. So depending on how much you have, you can just use it and then you check the percentage interest. So after that, the next thing you are going to do is to click on get started. So once I click on get started, you are going to see how the account looks like. So let me just click on get started right now. So if I click on get started, if you want to register an account, all you just need to do is to sign up using your email, login password, and then you confirm your login password. Or you come here, click on mobile number, choose your country code, and then you register. For me, I already have an account, so all I just need to do is to log in. Make sure you pay good attention to everything I'm doing and take good notes of how I'm just navigating through this process. If you have any question, please make sure you ask me in the comment section of this video, and you are going to also find the link to my Telegram channel in the comment section of this video. So after you are done with that, you are going to see this announcement. You can just go through with it and read it for yourself. Then you just scroll down and read it. So I'm going to show you guys what all these announcements mean. So you can see for my account, I have around 50 USDT that I'm starting up with, and it's going to give me a daily yield of 7 USDT per day. So if you want to recharge your account after seeing the first interface of how many percent you are going to earn, or if you don't really understand, you can just do the kind of upgrade that I did, or you can just use any investment. You can use 50, 100, 20, 10, whatever amount. Then if you want to do that, you just click on recharge. So if you want to recharge your account, there are different addresses that is provided for you. We have BEP20, which is my favorite network. If you have been watching my channel for a while now, we have TRX, we have TRC20, whichever one you want, you pick it and then you copy it here right now, and then you go fund your account based on the amount that you have. Make sure you are not missing out on any detail. So then I come back here and I click on staking. So once I click on that staking, what I want to do now, I want to stake what I have for 30 days. So like I said, I showed you guys for 7 days, right? But you can actually earn for 30 days. So let's go stake. So if you want to stake, see what I'm doing, you just scroll down on the main interface, you come here, then you put on the amount you have. For me, I have 50 USDT, so I'm staking for 30 days. So you see what I'm doing, right? So I just scroll down, you can see, then I click on staking. So once I click on staking, all I need to do is to confirm it. So once I confirm that staking, you see my staking is successful. You can see it right now. So in the next 30 days, I'm going to be earning approximately 7 USDT on a daily basis. So I can actually earn above that, but you understand what I do on this platform is that just for good risk management, my target is in the next 7 days. You understand? So in the next 7 days, I've gotten my capital back. So that's just it. So quickly, let's see what we'll do next. So after that, what I want to do now, I want to withdraw what I have. So before you withdraw, you can also actually come here, click on this icon right here, and then before I proceed with that, let me actually make a live withdrawal so you guys can see. So if I want to withdraw, I want to make use of USDT BEP20 network address. So let me just go here and copy my BEP20 network address. So if you want to withdraw, there are different addresses that are made available, but for me, I love to use USDT BEP20 network address because that's my favorite address. So when you want to withdraw, they are going to request that you send you impute a security password. So that security password is something that you are going to insert. Remember, your login password is different. Your security password is going to enable you to log in. That security password is your own private number. You understand what I mean by private number? What I mean by private number is this: your own, you are going to be the one to set up that security password. Do you understand what I'm saying? So security password, login password are two different things. So because me, I have already set up my own, so all I just need to do here is to click on confirm. So as I confirm withdraw, you see that my withdrawal is successful, right? So I'm just going to go check it in the next few seconds, and it has arrived. Then if I click on this icon right here, you are going to see that there are different ways you can actually download the app right here. If you want to download the app, you can actually come here to check your history, your withdrawals and your earning and everything. You understand? This way you see your earning, you can see my withdrawal is actually confirmed. So let's go confirm our withdrawal right now if it has arrived, because most definitely it should be here. It doesn't take any much time. So let's confirm it immediately. Let's see, we withdrew 7 USDT. So let me refresh the account, and I'm sure it has arrived. So you can see I'm refreshing everything live and direct. You can see my 7 USDT is here already. So this is it, 7 USDT withdrawn successfully. Please make sure you register on this platform right now so that you can actually start earning. Take good advantage of this. Make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe, and find your way down to my Telegram channel. If you have any question, I'll be there to guide you so you can participate in different forms. If you don't have funds, you can participate in different form of free airdrops and you earn. But however, you can also participate in also trading. We'll do trading right here. You can see for trading we earn around 3 million plus on a in a month. That is for trading, so you can actually earn above that. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.